guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to do burpees and a few modifications of a burpee. So as you see, when we do a full burpee, we start standing and we jump back, lower our whole bodies down to the ground, raise our body up, jump back up, and then jump up and meet our hands at the top, fully extending at the hips. But we can modify this in so many different variations. We can step back, lower all the way down to our body, use our knees, step, pop up. Or we can do jump back, step up. We can step back, jump up. We can even just jump back to high plank and then come back up.